Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to hide the taskbar in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to go and do, as if you aren't using it much, you can go and hide it and have extra space available. So all you need to do is come down to the bottom here, and you need to go and right click on the taskbar like so, and you can then go and click on taskbar settings. You'll get this pop up and you need to go and scroll down. You'll go and see the option for taskbar behaviors, which you can then click on. And you want to go and find the option automatically hide the taskbar, go and click on it, and that will go and enable it. And as you can see, the taskbar is hidden whenever you need it. You can always go and show it by simply hovering your cursor at the bottom of the screen and it appears again. So it's actually really easy. And of course you can always go and make it visible again by going back to those same settings, by right-clicking on the taskbar and enabling it again. If you found this guide useful and you want to see more useful guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.